Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Mint Mongoose. So if you're not familiar, Mint Mongoose is a monthly jewelry subscription. You do get to set a profile based on your preferred metal tones, and if you want to include rings or no earrings or things like that. Now, it's going to run $16.99 per month for 2 pieces of jewelry, or the price of the bag does go down if you prepay ahead of time. So let's go ahead and see what's in here for November. Now, it always comes in a little mailer like this, and then inside is your little package with the little Mint Mongoose seal on there. And she always includes a really pretty postcard type deal. And the theme for this month is Grab Life by the Horns and Live. And then there's a description of how she came to that inspiration and what is included inside. So let's go ahead and bust this open, if I can. Going for the cutlery. Sometimes that's just easier than peeling it open. And then when you pour it out, this is your main package, and she always sends a little thank you card. And there's always a little Werther's Original, love these. And little mint paper. And then here are the pieces. So I am going to go ahead and unwrap these. I will be right back. Okay, so I have them unwrapped, and let's go ahead and see what the first thing is. So the first thing is a necklace. Each one of her necklaces has an extension on it with the Mint Mongoose seal. And this one is on a long necklace. And there it is. Let's see if we can get this to focus. It looks like a little woven grass inside there. And if you don't want to wear it on that side, you can always wear it on the back. It's just as pretty. And the earrings match the necklace. That is grass in there, it looks like. Just like little woven pieces of grass. And she always includes the little rubber backings for it so that you don't lose an earring. Let's go ahead and put these on. So this should fit right over my head. So here is this. That looks really pretty with this green t-shirt. And let's try the earrings on. There's one, and there is the other one. It matches my t-shirt really nice, actually. I might just go ahead and leave these on. And that is all I have for you for November. I'm so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.